Let's understand how to create and use your own custom preset. Custom presets help you save a style so you can reuse it across different prompts. Click on Create New Preset. First, give your preset a name. For example, Floating Product Ad Style. Next, set the prefix. This is added before your prompt. Enter a product placed on a white, circular platform, soft studio lighting, minimal, clean setup, dreamy atmosphere. Now set the postfix. This is added after your prompt. Enter soft pastel clouds in the background, light blue and pink tones, subtle depth, premium advertisement style, high resolution. You can also upload a preset image to visually identify this preset. Once everything is set, click Create. Now let's use this preset. Enter a simple prompt, a chilled orange soda can with water droplets. Select your custom preset, Floating Product Ad Style. Generate the image. You'll notice the output follows a consistent style. The product is placed on a clean platform with soft clouds in the background. Now, keeping everything the same, change only the prompt. Enter a pair of wireless earbuds in a black charging case. Generate the image again. You'll see that the style remains consistent. Only the product changes while the background, lighting, and overall composition stay the same. This is how you can create and reuse your own presets to maintain a consistent visual style across different products. In the next video, we'll explore more ways to refine and control your image generation.